everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while, hope everybody's doing well. We stopped making some content for a while just because our 2019 was kind of getting stale, but we're back now with the 2026 Model Y Premium, and today we're going to be checking out the Frunk and Trunk Liners set from our friends over at Honcho. I'll have a nice discount code for you just in a minute. And right now we're going to take a look at what comes in the package. Everything you see here is included. These are all made from strong TPE material, and we have the lower trunk compartment liner. So this is the hidden compartment at the bottom of the trunk. And then we have the rear seat cover. So in the Model Y, as you know, the seats are exposed in the back, so these will help you protect them. And then we have the most important one in my opinion, which is the Frunk liner. If you use your Frunk as much as I do, this is a must-have. If you have spills or anything, this will keep it nice and neat. And again, taking a look at the material, it is pretty thick. And finally, the last piece is the large single piece trunk bed liner. This allows you to fold it up in half to access the lower compartment. While we're here, check out our friends over at Hansshow. This is the item that we're going to be reviewing. And right now, Honcho has it on sale for 30% off. And your code, if you use my code, you'll save up to 20%. In case this sale does end, you can go ahead and use our code. For now, Honcho's code will beat it, but if you're watching this a month later, this code will still work for 20% off. So make sure you head over to Honcho and load up on all those accessories that you want to add for your new Model Y Premium or Performance. And now let's get into the installation on the lower trunk compartment. So after you remove all your items, you have access to your lower trunk here. This is where some people keep their mobile chargers or deep storage where you don't have access. So you're going to install this liner with the rounded side towards the front of the car. The square side is going to hit towards the rear bumper. And this should just drop in. So once you drop it in place, make sure you give it a good push. Get all four corners seated properly so that there's no gaps. So you see there, it just dropped in a little more. And look how nice and neat that is. Next, we're going to be installing the main trunk bed liner. This is the largest portion of the set. And there is only one way that you can put this into the trunk. So the little cutout for the trunk latch is at the bottom. And that's going to slide right in place there. And as you can see, it fits very nicely, no gaps on the sides, right up to the edge of the rear seats. Now, if you don't have something like I have here, which are the little storage bins for the side, you do have access to the side openings that are present in the Model Y. And even with those bins, the mat does fit perfectly. You can see across the back, there's no gap. And now the most difficult portion is the three-piece seat back covers. So as you know, on the Model Y, you do have the seat backs exposed, and if you use this for storage, or you slide larger items in using the seats down, you could risk damaging the carpeted back. So these will help protect those in a pinch. And on the Model Y, as you know, one of the best features that came with it is the power folding capability of the rear bench. At the time of this video, I do have an issue with my right side, which is why it's going slow. I have a service appointment to get it fixed, so that's why it's slow. So you want to fold those seats down first, and then you're going to go into your driver's side, and you're going to affix the pad. Make sure you line up the holes for the latch system car seat anchors. And as you can see, there's no crimping, no bunching. The seats go up and down smoothly. There is a ton of Velcro on the back of the mats. So now we're going to affix the center one. And if you check here, I'm going to flip this over. And you can see the Velcro strips. There is ample Velcro. And these seat covers will actually catch onto the edge of the carpet. So it's very difficult to actually misalign them. And I'm doing this with one hand, and you can see it's pretty easy just to get them lined up. You want to make sure all those openings are in the right place for the latch system as well as the closing mechanism for the seat backs. So do some final adjustments here. At the bottom, make sure all of your Velcro is attached. You don't want the seat covers coming off when the seats go up. So we got that on. We're gonna give it another test. And as you can see, it goes up and down smoothly. It's not catching on anything, and there's no bunching. So lastly, we're gonna move over to the passenger side, and we're gonna do the same thing that we did with the other two pieces. We're gonna line up the opening for the latch system, and again, plenty of Velcro here. And we're just gonna go ahead and lay that flat across the back of the seat, lining up the hole, just like so. And the edges will catch the edge of the seat. Just make sure you press down all the edges, get it nice and flush, and we're good to go there. And we're gonna get that seat back up. And again, we're not catching anything. There's room for the cover to fit behind the bench when it folds up, allowing for seamless use. Now we've got our seat back covers installed, and we've got our trunk liner, and the back of the car is ready to go. We're gonna head up to the frunk. Now with the frunk liner, it's a pretty simple installation. We're gonna open up our frunk. Now we use our frunk a lot. So on the newer Model Ys, we have a January build, and unfortunately they did remove the emergency button from the panel. So when you get your liner, you wanna just use the tow hitch, the tow hook panel rather, line that up with the square edge here that I'm pointing to, and that's gonna sit right above or on top of that panel. As you can see here, it's cut out perfectly. So that actually will protect anything from getting into that tow hook compartment as well. So it protects that too. And if you put food and stuff in your frunk like I do, this is a game changer. Absolute must have for any Model 3 or Model Y. Alright, so let's check out the final product here and give it once over. As you can see, the trunk mat does not interfere with the latch. I have my cargo cover stowed away, which I love the addition of that. You can see the folding option with the trunk liner. You can access the sub trunk without having to take the mat out. And looking at the seat backs, you can see it's a seamless integration all the way across, no issues, no buckling, nice and neat, smooth, and it is compatible with any side storage compartments you have for your trunk. The quality and fit and finish is fantastic, very nicely made, very solid build, and again with the frunk you have a deep basin to line your frunk that will prevent any spills. So once again, thanks for watching. Hope you guys are doing well. See you in the next one. Don't forget to use our code TOPSHELFTESLA, 20% off. Later.
Thanks for watching Top Shelf Tesla. If you liked what you saw, tap that thumbs up, drop a comment, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what's next. We'll see you out on the road.